Microsoft Power BI has established itself as the leader in the BI technology space. In combination with Power Automate and Power Apps, it unlocks possibilities like building your own mobile, analytics, portals, and enterprise app, data integration with third-party applications via connectors, transform disparate data into insightful visualizations, self-service, handle coding majorly by drag and drop, optimized user adoption, with an app that's available everywhere. We, as the Microsoft Gold partners, ensure that our Power BI clients feel empowered with their data, while realizing any of our Power BI services including Microsoft Power BI implementation, data warehousing, data modeling, dashboards creation, self-service reporting, or Power BI embedded. But, you know what really establishes Polestar as the leader amongst other Microsoft Power BI partners? Microsoft Gold Partners Certified. Pool of 80+ Power BI consultants. 120+ implementations, with over 70 Power BI clients. Innovative in-house accelerators, crafted for specific industry needs. These differentiators allow us to stand out among other Power BI partners, and turn complex business challenges into another Power BI success story. Book a free 15-minute Power BI consultation at marketing@polestarllp.com to learn more. Thank you for watching.